Hello everyone, let's start solving this question which came in today's weekly contest 468. So the first question is bitwise or of even numbers in an array. It is an easy level question. So you are given an integer array nums and you have to return the bitwise or of all even numbers in the array. If there are no even numbers in a nums, then return the 0. Okay, so we have to return the or. So if you know, we have or, and operator, XOR. Okay, these all operators, we have bitwise operators. Okay, or means, let's say I'll explain this first. Let's say we have element x. If you do or with 0, that means we will get x. Okay, or sorry, or with 0. How? Let's say x is 4, or let's say in bitwise we have this, and if we do or with 0, that means 1 or 0 here, 1 or 0 will be 1, then the value will be this 1. Okay, so we have to return the or. Before that, we'll have a condition that it should be even number. So what we will do is, let's say we will take initially answer as 0, because 0 or anything, it will be that anything x, let's say. So initially we will take 0. Now for in num of nums, I'm using the for each loop. I will do num percent 2 equal to 0. That means it is a even number. Then only we will have to do this or. So answer or equal to, okay, num, and that's it. We'll have to return this return answer. Let me run this. Yes, you can see solution is accepted. Just we have to check if the number is even or not, and then we have to do the or, and then just yeah, let's submit this. As you can see, the solution is accepted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated for the next solution.